In a nation bound by courage, there is a silent anthem sung by those who stand guard at the borders. This anthem echoes in every one of us, binding us and making our hearts beat for them with gratitude and admiration. We at Samarpana want the songs of our brave brothers and sisters sung in every home and for their stories to become a part of us. Every stride we make is dedicated to our soldiers. Every step and every breath a salute to their bravery. Samarpana is a promise, a commitment to always remember, to show up, support, and strive to make better the lives of the families left behind. It is a living, breathing embodiment of our collective respect for the heroes who safeguard our dreams. We lead the way, hoping you will remember too, hoping you will follow, creating testaments to the bond that unites us with our defenders.